Hi guys, we are going to solve the equation 2x plus 1 equal to 1 minus x. We are going to simplify the equation and move to one side all the x's and the another side all the numbers. Just remember, when you move from one side to the another side, you are multiplying by minus 1. And we will receive 2x plus x, again minus x multiplied by minus 1, we receive plus x equal to 1, and 1 multiplied by minus 1, and we receive minus 1. We're going to simplify the equation. 2x plus x equal to 3x equal to 1 minus 1, this is 0, equal to 0. We are going to divide both sides of the equation by 3 and receive x equal 0. That's it guys, thank you very much for watching.